Hey guys, how you all doing? Hey, I'm just coming out for a walk, so I just thought I'd take you guys out on a nature walk with me. Yeah, it's probably one of those times where, we sort of got to go back to the organic way of life. And what better place to do it is to get out in beautiful nature and have a bit of a walk. So yeah, just go for a walk and hopefully it's doesn't get a bit too windy. That way you might not be able to hear me because of the wind and picking up all that wind with the sound. So I'll try my best. It doesn't seem to be that windy today. There's a lot of beautiful sun out. So yeah, just go for a walk around and get a bit of sunlight and do a bit of grounding. I think I might just take my shoes off and have a walk in the sand. Anyway, how are you guys all doing out there? I hope you're all doing well and everybody's just feeling good. Anyway, have a look at this. I'm just down by the river. So nice to be out here. It's kind of flowing pretty fast, the water. And I think I might have wore the wrong shoes for this bit of a walk as well. But hey, that's alright, eh? Wow, nearly the end of the year, you guys. I don't know if any of you guys celebrate Christmas, but, well, I don't. I just celebrate my granddaughter's birthday on Christmas Day because that's when her birthday is. So that's the only time we really celebrate anything. It's just on her birthday, which is Christmas Day. I'm going to turn you guys around so that you can have a look where I'm walking to, okay? There you go. Isn't Mother Gaia beautiful? I love it. Really love it. It's a bit rocky, so not actually wearing the proper shoes for this walk, so I have to be really careful of where I step. So yeah. So beautiful today. I just wanted to come out and just take in all of this beautiful energy that Mother Gaia gives off. So beautiful, so nice. She just takes any negative energy and transmutes it all. Wow. I think sometimes, you know, we could all use a bit of grounding and do a bit of grounding. And so coming out on a nature walk is one way to do it. Raising the frequency vibration, raising your energy. You know, what better way to do it than come out in beautiful, beautiful nature. I think I might need to go and hug a tree soon. Go and take in some beautiful energy. It's just so nice to just get out and about. Hey guys, sorry not to say much at all right now. I'm just enjoying this beautiful energy that Mother Gaia is giving off. So yeah, just being in a place of peace and stillness. So yeah, just taking all that beautiful energy and soak it all up. And also, just want to let you guys know, I really appreciate all your support. Thank you for watching my videos, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't already, please go like, subscribe and share. I would really, really appreciate it, guys. You are all so awesome. And I appreciate you so much. Everyone. back again. Alright, well, I'm heading back into town, so I just wanted to come out here for a little walk and just share this beautiful moment with you guys. Yeah, so nice to be out in nature, isn't it? New heaven on earth. It's all around us. Just got to be a vibrational match, you know? I'm just watching a truck drive by. It's just so nice to be out here. Love it. Love it. Get beside a body of water and spend some time in meditation. I would love to do that right now. Yeah. Maybe another time. Just maybe another time. Alright. Suppose you guys could see behind me. Still in the same place. Alright guys. This is so amazing. Look at this. Look at these beautiful trees. Aren't they gorgeous? Always reminding you guys about going out hugging a tree. And yeah, because they just give off so much beautiful energy. I just love it. So peaceful. So beautiful and peaceful. I think I shared in the video that, in one of my videos, that I moved out of the city. Kind of like the biggest city in New Zealand. And yeah, just had to get away. Once you experience an awakening, once you experience your ascension, you know, when you start to ascend, that's when things really change. A whole lot changes. Alright guys, I love you lots, and I might catch you on the next video, okay? But yeah, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, like and share if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next video. Love you all. Bye.